Nah, Bevo. These videos going straight on Bevo? Nice, joke. How dare you? How dare you say that? What? You're like Bevo shit, and then I was like, how dare you say that? Because it's not. Facebook is only second best. Look, there's a person on the bike. Oh, keep going. Go. Oh, multitasking.